Jonathan here with Darrow, Kia Madison. Now, it's not uncommon that we have people drive to the back of the building, to the other side of the building, and not know which department or where to go for what they need to get taken care of. So I just wanted to give you a quick tour of the dealership. I'm standing here in front of the sales entrance, and if you look over here, you'll also have our two big garage doors you can pull up to if you need any service completed on your vehicle. If you have a service appointment or need to schedule one, you can pull right on in. If the doors are closed, you get close enough and they'll open up. And then just beyond those, if you've had any mishaps, an accident, and you need some collision work taken care of or paint work, you can walk right on into our collision center. The door is just past the service doors. And that's really all you need to know. So if you're looking for a vehicle, if you need some service completed for your vehicle, or if you need your vehicle put back in cosmetically good condition, just shoot us a call or stop by today, and now you know where to go.